कैसे हो आप सभी। जैसा कि हमने चैप्टर नंबर 2 आईपीसी में 28 काउंटरफीट तक हमने कर लिया था सेक्शन तक। अब हम नेक्स्ट फर्दर आगे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 2 का ही सेक्शन 29 डॉक्यूमेंट। डॉक्यूमेंट क्या डिफाइन करता है कि द वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट डिनोट एनी मैटर expressed or describes upon any substance by means of letter, fingers or marks, or by more than one of those means intended to be used or which may be used as evidence of that matter. Explanation है it is immaterial by what means or upon what substance the letters, finger or make are formed or whether the evidence is intended for or may be used in a court of justice or not. इलस्ट्रेशन देखेंगे हम। इलस्ट्रेशन देखो, एक ए राइटिंग एक्सप्रेसिंग द टर्म ऑफ ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विच मे बी यूज्ड एज एविडेंस ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज ए डॉक्यूमेंट. A check upon a banker is a document. A power of attorney is a document. A map or plan which is intended to be used or which may be used as evidence is a document. A writing content, direction or instruction is a document. Next step now. Section 29A Electronic Record. Electronic records shall have the meaning assigned to them in clause T or subsection 1 of section 2 of the Information Technology Act IT Act 2000. नेक्स्ट है अपने पास सेक्शन 30 वैल्यूएबल सिक्योरिटी. Valuable security. Valuable security denote a document which is or purports to be a document whereby any legal right is created, extended, transferred, restricted, extinguished, off, released, or whereby any person acknowledges that he lies under legal liability or has not a certain legal right. That is section 30 valuable security. Next है section 31 will. A will denote any testamentary document that is called will. section 32 है अपने पास, sorry section 32 section 33. The word act denote as well as series of act as a single act. That word omission denote as well as series of omission as a single omission, that is omission act. Section 34 common intention. When a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of a common intention of all, each of such person is liable for the act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. That is common intention. Section 35. When such an act is criminal by reason of its being done with a criminal knowledge of intention. Whenever an act which is criminally only by reason of its being done with a criminal knowledge or intention is done by the several person, each of the such person who join in the act with such knowledge of intention is liable for the act in the same manner as if the act will done by him alone with that knowledge or intention. That is called intention, common intention, defined section 34, and in intention section 35. Section 36 effect caused partly by act and partly by omission. Wherever the causing of certain effect or an attempt to cause that effect by an act or by an omission. If an offense, it is to be understood that the causing of effect partly by an act and partly by an omission is the same offense. Illustration: A intensely caused Z death, partly by illegal omitted to give Z food, and partly by beating Z, A has committing murder. Section 37. Cooperation by doing one of several acts consisting an offense. When an offense is committed by means of several acts, whoever intensely cooperates in the commission of that offense by doing any one of those acts, either single or jointly with an other person, commits that offense. Section 37. Section 38. Persons concerned in criminal act may be guilty of different offense. When several persons are engaged or concerned in the commission of a criminal act, that may be guilty or different offense by means of that act. Section 39. Voluntary when he cause it by means whereby they intended to cause it, or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. That is section 39. Voluntary offense except in the chapters the sectional mention in clause 2 and 3 of the section, the word offense denote a thing made punishable by this code. Following section, namely section 64, 65, 66, 67, 71, 109, 110, 112, 114, 115, 116, word offense denote a thing punishable under this code or under any special or local laws hereinafter defined. Section 41. Special law. Special law is a law applicable to be particular subject, that is called special law. Local law. A local law is a law applicable only to a particular part. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe.